Hey guys, so today we're going to be making my favorite salad with rice and tuna. And we're going to need a cup of rice cooked with 2 cups of water, some salt and some butter, and let it cook until it turns out like this. So we're going to be needing the cooked rice, some tuna, 1 cup of tuna, 1 cup of peas, and 1 cup of corn. And some olive oil, some vinegar, and some homemade mayo. I'm going to show you guys how to make that in another video. So now we're going to put it in the cooked rice. And now the peas, the cup of peas. And the cup of corn. And the cup of tuna. Now I'm gonna put in 1 spoon of vinegar, 1 small spoon of vinegar. And 1 small spoon of oil, of olive oil. Now I'm gonna put in two big spoons of my homemade mayo. Now I'm gonna put in a little bit of pepper. I forgot to tell you guys about it. A little bit of pepper. Not that much because it will turn out spicy. And a little bit of salt. Half a spoon of salt. Now we're gonna mix. Mix it until it's very well, and now I'm gonna taste some of it. It's very good. Hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys all next time. Bye.